What's up, explorers? This week we're going to try something new. We're going to be trying this puzzle box. Now, my sister's boyfriend actually got this for me, and he hid a little Snoopy inside because I love Snoopy. And I was trying it a little bit, but I didn't solve it yet, so I thought we could try and solve it together. So, without further ado, let's get started. So here we are. First off, this box, super pretty. I'll have to ask my sister where he got this from and like what the name is, and I'll put it in the comments below in the description. But yeah, very pretty, and Snoopy's obviously stuck in here, so we have to help him out. He's suffocating. But right now, all I've really figured out is that like this, you can move these depending on where the ball is. You can move this back and forth. So I figured out if I move this, this can move. So this is obviously moving, and this part goes in and out. And then if I like I can move this, but I haven't like fully figured out exactly yeah, I just don't know. My sister did say there is a part at the end that she says like feels wrong, but it is right, so that's like the only clue I have to go off of. But my assumption is I have to get the balls, like I don't know, I have to move them to somehow open it. That's like my only clue. It's like this. I don't know where it started, and I don't think I really got that far anyways. Yeah, we'll see how long this takes me. Yeah, like right, I was able to move this for. I don't know what I did to get here, really. So yeah, this, okay, yeah, so I moved this, so this one then could move. I don't know why this gets stuck sometimes. I don't know. So then I can move this one, and then I can move this one. And this one should work, right? So yeah, I don't know. I should be able to move this, right? Am I wrong? Yeah, right? I should be able to move this over, because this is... Am I stupid? Oh, my hat is like in the way, sorry. Yeah, right? I should... Yeah, that's really all I've gotten so far. I don't... That I can, like, move the balls depending on where they are. So I can move this one over to here. So, and I don't know how that... My issue is I don't know how that helps me. Like, I don't know what it's doing that is really helping me to get any farther. And like so far, yeah, I haven't been able to move like this one. So right now, it's like 12:38. So, we'll see how long this takes me. And like this ball right here, I don't understand because I can't move this one. Like how this one I can move, but this one I can't. So I don't get how I'm supposed to be able to move this one. Or like, because it's just not, this doesn't move. No matter what I do. Sorry, my hat, my hat's going. So, I don't know. I really don't know how close I am from solving it. I don't. Yeah, like this doesn't move. So I gotta figure out how I can get that one to move. So if I have the ball over here, I can move this one. I can move this one. Any way I want. And if I have the ball, nothing here, and I move this one. Can't move that. Cause like this, yeah, it stops it there. And then I can move this one. But I just don't know how it helps me. I don't know. He may laugh at me. I don't know how long she didn't tell me how long this took him to figure it out. So maybe I'll send him this video and he'll laugh at me. So I don't know what I'm doing. But I do love puzzles. And I've never had a puzzle box like this. I've always wanted one. I've had ones that like it's one step and then it's open, and it like really isn't that hard at all. And I feel like wooden puzzles, but nothing like this. But by the time we get this open, Snoopy's gonna be dead. So. So yeah, I can't. Once I get to here, the ball cannot move. So I gotta like note that. And then it has to be like perfectly aligned. And then this. So that can only move if there's nothing in there. And then this one, I think I have to move. Oh no, I can't move that. Oh no. Yeah, I can't move that one. I can move. So maybe I need to move this like this. And then move this one. And then move this one. And then that one can move. But I'm still back at the same spot where I don't know how to move this one. Because this one, it just doesn't move. Because the thing is stuck here. So, and there's nothing else that I can see that like you would think that this would come, and like these don't come on. Yeah, she said like it's weird, like you feel like you're gonna break it. I just don't know what that movement would be. Yeah, 'cause this just doesn't move. So, how does I could move if there are, like, I don't know if I could get, see, I don't know that would help me. Unless it's like broken. Cause yeah, if that's there, I can't move it. Yeah, this is like as far as I've gotten. There's nothing like I have to like push. Like there's like a space here. It's the only space. Everything else is attached. I mean, there's like this. And I didn't get any tools. And this, like this, there's like a line here, so this is separate. It's like this kind of moves a little, but that so far has not helped. Snoopy, what do I do? It has to be. Like, why do I feel like. How would I move that? How would one move? Because that one's like really hard to move. I don't want to break it. That's. If a puzzle person watches this, well, if he watches this, he'll have to let me know if I was anywhere close. If I'm like near it, or if I'm super far away from solving it. So yeah, I can move that ball away, so there's only 2 balls, but I need at least 1 to be able to move this, because I can never move something without. Does this need to be lined up better? It's like slightly off. Is that my issue? Because yeah, like, I would think this, like how this one works, they're slightly connected, but I can't move that ball. There's like a raised thing. This video could be an hour long. I don't know. I've texted my sister to see if she can text her boyfriend, see if he can give me a hint, see if he solved it. See if I can get a hint and if I'm anywhere close. So while we wait, we'll see if we can figure it out.
Maybe that will help us. All we know right now is that this one can go this far. And if you turn like this, we can turn it all the way to here to move this. And we've learned that we've learned that this moves. I have this. This one can go that far, similar to the other one. Because this is here, I have to have this to be here, and then this one can move, right? I think, yeah, this one can move if I have that all the way out. This one doesn't move. This one I can't move. I have to like, oh, wait. Shit, is that supposed to happen? Is that supposed to happen? Is this supposed to come out? Is that supposed to happen? Wait, do all of these come out? No, wait. Oh, okay, wait. I don't know if I'm breaking it or if that's supposed to happen. Now I'm confused. Is that supposed, someone has to tell me if that's supposed to happen. They're supposed to come out like that? Or like I'm breaking it. I don't wanna, I'm scared that's not supposed to break that. So I'm not gonna do that. Do these? Yeah, like these come out. But I don't know if that's just how it's made. Well, this one doesn't come out. Sort of places. Is that helpful to me though? I really feel like I have to figure out how I'm supposed to move this one to solve it, right? But how do I do that? That is the question I don't have the answer to. You would think my first instinct is that this should be over here and then I'd be able to move it, but I can't do that. I can't move that over there. Or do you think it's like the opposite? Maybe I need to get all of these ones over? So I gotta like put that one over there. And then I gotta put this one. Can I move this one now? I can't, wait. Okay, wait. Or is that how I started? Wait, I think that might be how I started, right? If I move... Shit, great. No, because that's... How does that help me? That doesn't... You haven't answered it, but I'm wondering if like this really is supposed to be able to move. So, like maybe I can like bang it so like it moves over. Because I really don't understand how else you would move it. Like I don't. Like this one feels like it should move, right? But like it doesn't move. It just doesn't. I just don't know. Like see anything in the inside of help me. Mine is Snoopy. Really determined to open this on my own without any hints. That's why I'm being impatient. I don't... Like this? Is this... I don't know. I don't... Like, I feel like this has to be... I don't want to break it. I just don't want to break it. If this opens... No. Is this the hard part? My sister said there's a hard part that really... See, but I don't think that's... This, obviously this moves, but I don't... No, because it's getting stuck on here. So I really feel like I'm missing something, because it can... I think it could move with this. It obviously can move past this one, right? And then... So, obviously it can't move past, if I have it here, it can't move past that, right? So I move it like this, and I put that over here. So that feels right. And then, this obviously can't move. Or wait, I need to have that ball in there, right? No, I can't do that. Can't do that. Right to my sister, and she said that this one is the one you really have to push. It takes like a lot of force, I guess. And she said that everything else is right. It should move with enough force. So if I put this back to where it was, like this. Realistically, all three of these are open, like this. I would just need to do this one. But I can't move it because this ball is here. I physically cannot move this one. Oh! Okay! I figured it out. There's a part that moves, that lets this ball move. So if I move this now, should be able to... Wait, let me see. Wait a second. I don't want to get too excited. These are hard to move. They're just, my finger is so red. It just hurts so bad because it's just hard to move everything. The only way I'm gonna be able to move this, I gotta get this ball over here, but I just don't understand how I'm supposed to do that. Just don't understand how I'm supposed to do that. At this point, Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, wait. Don't. Okay, I gotta move this over like this. Okay. Now I can move this. Okay. Can I move? Oh. Don't want to break this, but this is supposed to be able to move, right? This way. It's supposed to move this way, right? Just don't want to break this. That's. Ah. She's gonna have to put a lot of force because it just wouldn't move. Oh god, I'm gonna like break my hand. It has to move because there's no. The thing is all the way over here. This should move. I can't get it, bro. I can't get it. Snoopy's gonna die in here. He's gonna die. Right? I have. Right? That's. Can I just open it? Am I doing that? No, I can't. I can't. Oh, I don't know, man. Don't know. Yeah, it's like stuck. I can't. I wonder if I can get like a grip or something. I don't really have. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was really freaking hard. So now I should be able to move. I should be able to move. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh. Mind. Okay, so we're close, I think. Everyone, hold your breath. So if I move. Move that over. Right, and then I have to be able to move. I have to be able to move this. Right? Yeah. I have to be able to move this over. Right? Like that. Okay. So I can move this. This, and then that all the way there. This all the way. Wait, no. Right, so I put this like this. This. I get back to where I was before. Do I remember how I did that? What did I? This. And then I can move this one. So then. Okay. Okay! Oh my gosh! Wait. Break my hand. This should open, right? Am I stupid? Where's... Oh! We did it! We did it! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Snoopy. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh, man. That was a struggle. My hand really hurts, but we did it! Oh my gosh, and he's so cute. Cool box, but man. Ugh. Now we gotta see if I can put it back. Man. That was like unnecessarily hard. I don't know if it's because like there's a lot. Oh wait, do I go? Now I gotta figure out how I put this back. Oh, that's why I'm like, why is it not working? Yeah. My only critique is to move these, like it's just not. It's like really, you have to push super hard. This was stuck. That's why I couldn't figure out how to do it. And I didn't realize that this like little thing goes back and forth. But I did look it up. I did look up what this puzzle is called. It's called the Viking Puzzle. Yeah, like should I say like 7 out of 10? It is a pretty puzzle. I mean, it's very pretty. Worth it. This Snoopy's so cute.
That is it for the video one. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below what you thought. And thank God we were able to free Snoopy. I definitely think that, I mean, it was cool. Definitely was hard to open. I think it would have been easier if it wasn't like stuck in the beginning. I couldn't move it. So I was like, I ruled out a lot of possibilities. But yeah, pretty cool. But that is it, and I'll see you in the next one.